So, concern to Darps. Darps stands for Differential, Absolute and Relative Positioning System. This system intended for FPSO and shuttle tanker operation. It based on GPS system and it is needed for offshore offtake operations. Relative distance calculated between two radio antennae due to known speed of radio wave and time moment of send code. As a reference for calculations, the GPS position of two radio modules located in one geographical area. The GPS error, if happened, will work on two modules by the same scenario and will not influence on the relative position calculations. In other words, we have two antennae for radio modules. The coordinate for each of them is known. And if the GPS fails, then the coordinate error for two antennas fails by the same scenario as it was discussed. And the relative distance between two antennae calculated with the use of radio speed and time moment will not be ruined or will not suffer from the GPS network error. As you see, Darps is a typical equipment for specific type of offshore operations. It consists from radio modules and antennae and computer, of course. This is computer-based equipment. The interface of computer is not very overloaded, and the general idea for us is to observe the position between two antennae modules and two appropriate vessels where the modules are inbuilt. And the system shows the relative distance between vessels during FPSO shuttle tanker offtake operations. And of course, the data from the Darps may be provided to the input for our DP system. That's why we are discussing that equipment here.